Hi guys, how are you all? Today I will show you how to take easy default screenshot in Windows, how to use snip and sketch in Windows as well. We sometimes need to take screenshots on PC for various purposes. That's why we each use different software, but you will be surprised to know that you can take screenshots on your PC without any third-party app. What is the name of this procedure? Yes, Windows default screenshot method. Let's check it out. Let's see how to take screenshots on PC without any software. Before starting my tutorial, I would like to request all of you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Let's check it out. Dear viewers, you are watching the channel of Lutfur Rahman, the digital expert. Now I will take a screenshot by using this Windows default screenshot menu or tricks. Let's start. This is the QR code. Now I will take a screenshot by using my easy default method of the Windows. So let's start. Before doing this, please look at your keyboard and press the Windows logo icon plus Shift plus S. Yes, you can see that snip and sketch menu has come up, and there are four options here. Number one option is rectangular snip, number two free from snip, and number three window snip, and number four full screen snip. Now I will take the snip by pressing the first one, rectangular snip as well. What can you do? Just drag it to the four corner of this QR code. Yes, snip has done. And where can you see this? Just check it to the right corner of this notification icon here. You can see that beside the time table by clock of your right corner of the PC, just notification icon here. You can see, just click it, and this is your preview, and just click it, and you will see this is the screenshot of your desired picture or desired screen part of this part of your PC as well. What can you see here? This is the snip and sketch homepage, and there are various kinds of options here. You can see here, just first one, you can touch writing, you can ballpoint pen, you can pencil, you can highlighter, highlight this, you can erase, you can use ruler, you can use image crop. Number one, this is the write down. Number two, ballpoint, and also you can write here, and also pencil, you can write by using pencil. And what is this? Is highlighter. You can use there are four colors, or there are many colors. You can highlight the target areas by using this. Another is eraser. Now you can erase all the spot here. You can erase. Now I am erasing. And the last one is ruler. You can just measure the four sides measurement. Then you can at last crop it. You can crop different way, different sides. That there are four corner crops option here. You can crop it and click OK. Click OK, and just how can you save this? Just click this save icon, save as. This is your destination, but I would like to save this in my desktop, so I would like to choose desktop. You can rename it snip and sketch, snip sketch, snippet, sketch 2, save. Let's go to find out it. Yes, this is the my screenshot by using the snippet sketch of the default screenshot menu of the Windows. I hope you will enjoy my this video tutorial, and I would like to request again to all of you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for regular update. And now at last I am saying goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more information and regular update. Please stay tuned with me www.lutfer11.com. Thanks.